welcome back to the channel. Right now we are currently on the way to Pat Built Performance to drop off the car for a few days to get the Whipple installed. I've been picking up the camera in a quick minute, not gonna lie. The last video was recorded like maybe 3.5–4 weeks ago. I ordered this thing a few weeks back, actually a few months back. I think like September 1st I ordered it, and then it didn't get here until about 3 weeks ago, and this was just the earliest I could get in. So I mean, it is what it is. But right now we're headed there to drop off the car. I can't remember everything this car is getting. I know it's getting cat delete, dumps, obviously the Whipple, the stage 2 tune from Whipple, boost the pumps, and I think that's it. But I'm super freaking excited. This has been anticipated for quite a while now. We got Marcus, I don't know if y'all can see him, we got him in the back. He's gonna give me a ride home. Shit, pretty much, hopefully this is done Wednesday. I can pick up the car, and then we're going out Wednesday night. I'm gonna try my best at least, obviously depending on if there are people that go out. I mean, if no one goes out, I can't really do anything. We'll have to wait till the weekend, but I think it's supposed to rain. So hopefully Wednesday we can go out and get some runs and test it out. This is gonna be just the normal, it's gonna be on the 375 pulley. So hopefully February, like by February, like maybe January, February, get a smaller pulley, and I wanna do headers as well. A fuel kit did just come out for this thing, and apparently it's capable of like over 1,000 horsepower. It costs like 1,600 bucks. So I wanna get those three things in before Texas 2K. Will it happen? I don't know. We'll see. I also wanted to get PPF done, ceramic coating done, wrap the roof black and the mirror caps black. You know, I want some carbon bits, so we'll see. We'll see. I mean, if I get bored of the car, like, you know, I want to push it a little more, then I'll probably just do that right off the rip instead of the cosmetics. So it is going to take some getting used to. That's why I'm not like pulling down immediately. I need to get used to the power that this is gonna have. Shit, I'm super excited. Super fucking excited for this. We got about 17 more minutes till we get to the shop. So I don't know if I'm gonna record when I get there. I might. Oh no, it's starting to rain. But I'm gonna put up the GoPro until then.
1 week later.
Dude, holy fuck!
Yeah. 755.
755?
Yeah. 755.
Okay.
Holy shit.
With that big ass tire on it too. So, hey, that's taking some horsepower away, 100%. With that 30-inch tall tire, it makes 755. We got the. We did a.
All right, we just got the car back. First drive out of the shop. And let me tell you, I am fucking hyped, yo. Like, so it made 761 on the dyno. which is exactly what I said it would make. I said 760, and the dyno did confirm it is 760. That is gonna get annoying. I gotta take all that shit out when I get home, but this thing sounds fucking insane, dude. Dude, this thing sounds fucking insane, dude. My neighbors are 100% not gonna like this. These cold starts are about to be disgusting. I do want to do like a small pull on the way home, like not even like literally just like something tiny. Dude, that is so annoying. But the Labubu just chilling. So I think I need to top off the coolant, and I need to swap out my oil as well sometime soon for some 5W50. Thankfully too, the car doesn't rub on the 315s. It does not. Did not rub on the dyno, which I'm super happy about, because they were thinking it was gonna rub. This shit sounds nuts. But we got like a 25-minute drive home. I don't know if I'll record too much on the way home. I kind of just want to get used to it. But I definitely want to get my reaction to like the very first pull. And my girlfriend's reaction too, because she's never been in something like this. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, here we go. That's if that missed the third and hit that shit. That's 60.
That was fourth, bro. That was fourth.
I was fourth?
Holy shit, dude.
It's so good, huh?
Dude, I'm trying to ease into it. I'm like actually shitting myself.
Is it? It sounds good.
No, it sounds really good, even on the inside. This shit is loud as fuck.
Yeah.
Holy shit. I'm just happy I'm not in a damn Tesla anymore.
Yeah.
Back at the crib. I just want to thank y'all for whoever stayed to the end of the video. And dude, I just want to say, dude, this setup is freaking insane, dude. My first few second gear hits in this car blew my fucking mind. I'm super glad going from the Supra to this car that I didn't immediately pulley down and make like really any additional power. I think with the 760 that's sitting at is perfect from going from that 500 horsepower Supra. I think it was just enough of a jump. I think anything more would have been probably too much, to be completely honest. But I have plans here. It is currently the middle of December. I'm going home for Christmas in a couple weeks, and I plan to come back in January, and then I want to go ahead and do the fuel system upgrade, smaller pulley, and I still need to do my old pump gears as well. I'm gonna get those out of the way. I want to get all that done, not gonna lie, low-key before Texas 2K, so that way, you know, we can have a super crazy Texas 2K. But if you guys like the video, make sure you drop a like, drop a sub, all that good shit, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.